Hello, thank you for joining me. A lot of people have been asking, does the XP WS6 Master have the same functionality as the DEUS II RC? Does the XP DEUS II WS6 Master use the same coils, the same frequencies, the same headphones, the same programs? The answer is yes. And I can hear you guys out there saying, okay Gary, that's fair enough, but if you were to buy the WS6 Master, what would be your configuration? Good point, my friends, and very well delivered. My personal choice would be to go down the stealth mode. I'd choose the WS6 Master, obviously, because I've got the on-screen information, I've got most of the features the RC's got, and certainly all of the performance. And then I'd definitely choose the WSA II headphones. They've got the fast XP wireless connectivity, the puck can be removed, you can use a horseshoe with them, and then you can connect any wired external source. For example, when I'm filming with the WS6 Master, I use the horseshoe and I plug in an external speaker just so you guys can hear the audio. That would be my choices with the WS6 Master, but of course the XP DEUS II is a modular machine and you can use any configuration you want. Well, let's get detecting and perhaps we can have a little talk about this WS6 Master setup. The program I'm going to be using today is going to be the DEUS program number 6 with no adjustments. Now, a question that comes up quite a lot on the forums is XP DEUS, audio or meter? Very often when using the DEUS II WS6 Master, I like to use it audio only, and I just use a module for on-the-fly adjustments. Now, the XP DEUS is and has always been an audio machine, and I think people forget that quite a lot of the time. Now, the meter does give you some valuable pieces of information, but in certain circumstances, if you don't really understand what you're doing, the meter can lose you targets. I very often hear people say, I never dig below 50. That's great if you're just coin shooting. If I'm having a lazy day, that's exactly what I'll do. But if I'm on a good site, there's no way I'll ignore targets below 50. That's a nice bright one, isn't it? We're out, we're out, we're out, we're out. Here it is, look. Well, there it is. It's a broken piece of a coin, perhaps half a coin. I can't really see a great deal on it. I don't know. When would I not choose the target ID? Well, for example, if I was trying to eliminate something like shotgun cartridges, because the target ID on shotgun cartridges fall within so many different ranges, and for sure, if I tried to identify a shotgun cartridge by target ID, I think I'd be in trouble. Can you hear that slight flutter into it? It's worth investigation, but I would say that's probably a piece of iron, piece of ferrous. How about I set you guys a little bit of homework, a little challenge. Why don't you put your RC or your module in your pockets just for one day and use the DEUS II audio only. You're going to start appreciating how good this audio is. It gives you so much information and you're not looking down relying on meters. Believe it or not, those new to the XP DEUS, using it audio only has got to be the fastest way to learn this machine. You can use a horseshoe adapter to accommodate any headphone or earbud with a 3.5mm jack plug, and also you can wirelessly connect other DEUS II headphones, so you've got a complete kit there. So this WS6 is not just a headphone module to be used with the RC, it's a standalone unit and it can accommodate the other DEUS II wireless headphones. That's why it's called the WS6 Master. One quick top tip, if you are pairing different DEUS II headphones with your WS6 Master, just make sure they're on the same software version. Just saying. I think you'll learn to appreciate how the audio really does give you some great information. For example, this one here, you can hear it's quiet, it's small or deep. Here we go then. Nice strong target ID. See what I did there? I had a little sneaky look. But I'm sure you guys want to see the numbers on camera, even if it's something I don't tend to rely on. Right, somewhere. There we have it. We've got a very small, well, it's a silver coin, but it's really worn. I can't see a great deal on it at all. Sometimes metal detecting can be hard or easy, and the amount of signals on this piece of land, I think today is going to be easy. I think the XP DEUS II WS6 Master is a real stealthy mode, and it's a cost-effective way of getting onto the DEUS II platform. Well, that's it guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.